In order to get some oblique duct, let's cut into the horizontal duct so as to get an oblique and a horizontal point. Run the command and select the ducts to be cut. As you can see, there are now two conduits which are both highlighted. Rerun the command. Then give an angle to the duct parts that should be oblique. Indicate the highest point of the duct by selecting it. The angle is here at 30 degrees. Here also. Now use the Modify an Object command to adapt the oblique duct's adjacent pieces. This elbow, and then this elbow coming through upper foil. It will of course remain graphically from above, but as you can see, it adapts to the change in the duct's orientation angle. Now link the ducts using the elbow local command. This step is complete.